Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Khalimah Kurniawati. My number is 21010222, and I'm from Accounting 21B. Here I want to tell you the reasons why an accountant needs to master English. Here we go. The first reason why an accountant needs to master English is for financial statement purpose. As we know, basically that accounting was certainly closely related to the financial. And when we talk about finance, it means we are not just talking about the rupiah. The financial reporting will not only presented in Indonesian only, but the accountant also required to make the financial reporting in English. When an accountant makes a financial report, accounts are used ranging from assets, liabilities, capital, or even accounts that are not commonly used, such as long-term employee benefits and deferred tax liabilities. In the other side, when an accountant incorrectly inputting accounts in the financial statements, the financial statements cannot be said to be in accordance with what is actually recorded. And when it happens, it means that it can be said that an accountant doing a financial manipulation. The second reason why an accountant needs to master English is accountants are needed in every company. Nowadays, accounting is a science that is most needed for company in the world. Accounting is very important for the company and made accounting have to be used internationally and universally. So, English language is needed for the accounting activities. Besides that, English language helps us to communicate and conduct corporate activities. So, if you want to be an accountant in the future, we should be able to speak English. The next reason why an accountant needs to master English is the language of the internet. English tops the internet in number of users and also a top language in tech. It will help us to understand anything when we are doing our job, like using Excel sheets, doing a conference call, research, and doing online presentation. The next reason why an accountant needs to master English is English helps to communicate. In a business world, we are not only work ourselves, but also we can have a teamwork or a collaboration with our partner or colleagues. In that situation, we have to interact with them. And that will be difficult if we don't know the language they speak very well. So, we can use English to communicate with them. Besides that, by knowing and using English, we can show our willingness to go beyond basic business standards. Nowadays, knowing English was a plus value, especially for someone who looked for a job. If we can show our good pronunciation, it can make a good first impression for us. Speaking and writing business English are two different skills. We may write well, but unless we can speak clearly and fluently, we are unlikely to make an impact in the workplace. People do judge us by the way we speak. Also, the type of English that is spoken differs from place to place. Like American English is not the same as British English, right? For example, in America, we call this elevator, and in British English, we can say it lift. So there is a difference between American English and British English. So there are in fact notable differences in accents and pronunciation. Similarly, in Indian is acceptable to mix words from Indian language with English to communicate something. So, Wherever you work, it is better to research the type of language that is spoken there and try matching your accent more closely to the native one to better blend in. If your interviewer gets the impression that you are at home with the language, you are already halfway to getting the job. That's all from me. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.